Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make a little box that you can use for your snacks or little knickknacks. I filled mine with pretzels. It's really simple, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is a colored piece of paper, square paper, origami paper, or you can cut it yourself. First step, you're going to put colored side down and fold a triangle. And then you're going to fold the triangle in half. Open that up and fold it in half, rectangle. And then fold that in half again, so you make a square. Then you're going to open it up. See this right here? Follow the creases that you just made, stick your finger in there, and you're going to fold down. And do the same on the other side. Turn it over. Okay. So you're going to take paper, put your finger in. You can see the inside. These two parts, these two lines are going to stay connected. You're just going to follow the creases that you made before, pull that down, and flatten. So now you have a triangle with these 4 flaps. Next, turn it so that the point is facing you. Take one of the flaps and fold it maybe this much. So up here, this part here is going to be the opening of the box. You can make it as wide or as small as you want. So you're going to make sure this line here is straight. So you want it to be parallel along the top. You take another one and fold it about the same. Make your crease. Okay, so you see this is going to be the mouth of the box. Now you're going to take one of the flaps and you're going to tuck it inside. Right in here, you see there's opening. And take this, tuck it in, fold it down. Turn it around and do the same on the other side. I'm going to take this, tuck it in here. And now I'm going to take the bottom here and fold it to make a crease. There you go. Now unfold that. Open the box. I'm going to follow that line that you just made. See, so the creases are down here on these two sides. And there you go. There's your box. You can play around with it if these sides are too thin, then you want to just open it up a little when you're folding. Or if this area is too wide, you can make it smaller by folding them in closer together. Okay. Fill it up with whatever you want, and there you go, a little box. Thanks for watching. Bye.